This video is going to be a product review of the Acenx Outdoor Smart Outlet. The outlet has a waterproof rating of IP44. It has voice control, multiple timer function, smartphone app control, and you can share access to that control. So I'm going to show you what it is about. I'm going to show you how to set it up, and I'm going to show you how it works with the app. It comes with very good and detailed instructions on how to set it up with your phone so that you can use control of the Alexa app, Amazon Echo. I believe this will work with Google Home, Google Assistant, Alexa, Alexa Dot. It will work on an Android phone, on an iPhone. So you have complete control to make your house a smart house. This has two outlets that have covers, weatherproof covers. You cannot submerge this in water. You can keep it outside in a damp area. You just don't want to be pouring water onto this. It is capable of 1,875 watts. Well, you're not going to find that in your standard outlet that is in a house. This is an outdoor. This can work on appliances. You can even use this indoors. So let's get this set up now and we'll see how it works. The Acenx works with the Smart Life app. If you don't have it on your telephone, very easy to install. You go to Google Play, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, do a search on Smart Life, and then you install it. And again, the instructions here are very well detailed on how to set everything up for Google Home, Google Assistant, and Amazon, your Dot, Alexa. So what you want to do is you want to press the button and hold it down until the light starts to blink. You want it to be a fast flashing. We have the fast blinking right now. That's the important part. And without, okay, so if you, this switch is meant to turn it on and off, and if you, like you can see, that's on right now. I'll press it again. You need to hold it down until it is quickly blinking. If you mess up, just try it again. Right now we're off. Okay, now we've got the fast blinking. So now I'm going to go over to my Smart Life app. I have my Smart Life app. I'm covering up my telephone number. So you're going to want to click on the plus. And then over here we have electrical outlet. So you want to click on electrical outlet and you want to add a device. So you're going to confirm that the light is blinking quickly. And then we are going to do the confirm. And then you want to make sure that your password is in there for your Wi-Fi. If it is not, you need to put in your password. And then click confirm. And now it's going to go do a search. And if you have set this up the right way for the quick blinking, you should hear something. I've got my Alexa connected, so Alexa is going to announce in the background that everything is connected. If that doesn't happen, we will try it again. But it should work. Usually kicks in about 15 to... There it is.
I found Smart Outdoor Plug, and you can control it by saying, turn on Smart Outdoor Plug.
And so you can see over there where it says you can control it by saying Smart Outdoor Plug. If you want to, you can click on the pen to the side and you can backspace here and you can change this to any name you want. We're going to keep it this way since it is the Smart Outdoor Plug. So we're going to save that. Operation successful. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug something in here and we're going to watch this work. What we are going to do is control this lamp by the Acenx power box and by the cell phone and also by Alexa. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug the lamp into this unit, and it could also be an air conditioner, it could be a fan, it could be whatever you want that has a very high wattage, such as 1,875 watts that this unit is capable of. I have the lamp plugged in. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the switch. This should turn it on. Okay, the light is on. You can see the reflection. I'm going to press it again. The light should go off. Going to do that one more time. Light on, light off. This is the cell phone. So what I'm going to do now, we have control of both switch 1 and switch 2. I don't know which one I have it plugged into right now, but we have a button for all on or all off. So let me turn all on. Light comes on. You can see that in the background. All off. That's the background. Let's go to switch 1 and see if I have it plugged into switch 1. I heard it click. Let's go over here. I don't know if I have it on switch 2. Okay, so I'm on switch 2. Switch 2 off. Switch 2 on. Switch 2 off. So I will go over here to the outlet, and I will unplug this, and now we're going to do the same thing so you can see that it works on both outlets. So now we're going to go over to switch 1. Off. On, off. Let's see what happens when we click over there. That is the switch, on, off. And when we click over here, you have a countdown, and you also have control for setting a timer, depending on when you want the lights to go on and off. You should also be able to do this with the Alexa, which I have in the background. What I have done to make this much easier for everybody to see is I've renamed this to 1, this one to 2, and I've renamed the smart outlet plug to smart. So I'm going to turn on the light by saying, Alexa, turn on smart.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off smart.
Okay.
And I can also control it by pressing 1, or we will go back over here, unplug this, and we will go over to 2. So that concludes my review and installation of the Acenx Outdoor Smart Outlet. I will leave an ordering link in the description of the video. You can click on that link and get this from Amazon.